Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is June the 18th and today's devotion is Always There. The Lord's words are pure. He is a shield to those who trust Him. Who is God? Only the Lord. Who is the rock? Only our God. Psalms 18:30-31. From the famous song to television commercials to close friends, there's a promise that is often made and rarely kept. You can always count on me. Most of us have been promised this sometime in our life, and most of us have felt the sting of rejection or disappointment when things didn't quite turn out that way. There is someone who you can always count on. You can tell him everything. He hears you. He'll wrap his arms around you and tell you everything's going to be all right. He is completely trustworthy. Thank you, Jesus, that I don't have to be perfect. Thank you that you are perfect and that your promises are true. Help me to take comfort in the fact that you will be with me today and forevermore. Nighttime devotion. During our trying circumstances, we call out to people who promise to always be there, but they don't answer. They don't even call you back. Even the best friend, the closest sister, the doubting parents will fail in their ability to be there for you. The only one you can truly depend on in your life is God. He works in wonderful ways to show His faithfulness and to love us in our time of need. Thank Him for always being with you tonight. The question of the day is, have you been disappointed or hurt by someone you love? Trust in the one who is dependable. And I'm sure many of us have been disappointed or rejected when you were in circumstances that you really, really needed someone to be there, and everybody you called was either busy or didn't answer their phone, didn't bother about calling you back. I know that, and a lot of times if they would show up, it wasn't necessarily to be there for you, but for a handout. They always had their hand out. It's like, Whatever I can do for you, what can you do for me? And honestly, I don't know what happened to the way of just helping somebody out, helping your neighbor, helping your friends, and not expecting anything in return. I remember growing up, and if you needed something, you could call any one of your relatives and they would be right there to help you, to lend a hand, no matter what it was. And nowadays, you got to make an appointment. If you need something, you need to make an appointment because everybody's too busy. They're doing their own thing, and I know that I only call people when I absolutely have to. If there is nothing else I can do, that I can't fix it or whatever it is, then that is the only time that I will call somebody else. Well, I want to thank you all for watching today's video. I'm sorry it is late coming out, but we had severe thunderstorms all night last night. Think they started about 12:30, and then at 4 o'clock this morning, we went from a tornado watch to a tornado warning, and it was just, my phone was blowing up all night, and then I finally fell back to sleep at like 5:30 this morning, and because y'all know Buddy's scared to death of storms. Buddy hates storms. So when my phone went off the first time, I had to get up and be with him through the thunder and the lightning. And then, like I said, it just kept going off, and so I made it back to bed about 5:30 this morning, and then I slept until 10:30. So I'm sorry this is late coming out. I want to thank you all for watching. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video, I would appreciate it. And remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.